The modular RSL hydraulic torque wrench provides unmatched versatility, long-term durability, and productivity, so you can tackle a vast range of bolting applications with complete confidence. Constructed from robust steel and built to last, the drive units attach to low-profile hex cassettes and also to square drive heads. For hassle-free bolting jobs in tight spaces, use the RSL-Series drive units with RLP low-profile cassettes, so you can access tight spaces with minimal clearance. RLP-Series cassettes are constructed from robust steel and feature a nose radius that gives the optimum balance between access and durability, whichever cassette you choose. Simply attach using the 4 supplied Allen key bolts and you're all set. No matter the configuration, your torque wrench is packed with features to boost productivity, precision, and versatility, including 30 to 35 degrees of operating stroke for optimum productivity, rapid reaction arm adjustment using the simple dial lock, delivering up to 37,000 Newton-meters of torque output with ±3% accuracy across the full stroke, and the option to switch to a square drive configuration by attaching RSQ drive heads. Interchangeable, durable, productive. The RSL low-profile hydraulic torque wrench. Buy now at Enerpac.com.